It's hard to be honest when I'm not true to myself. Grown way too fond of you in these past few years, and I never let it show, but you know that. Hiding my emotions, that's what I'm good at. Ignore the warning sign for the second time. Try to keep some distance cause you're unavailable. You're behind the wheels at the scene of the crime. Couldn't stop at the red light in front of you. Just listening to the sirens. Disappointed, no problem. I'm used to it, just used to it. My loneliness is an anthem. Uninterested, I know that look on your face. Always making excuses, trying to seem innocent. But the problem wasn't me, it was your disgrace. Your lies, they never helped you fix your mistakes.
Watching the sky change from black to blue, it's been more days than I can count, but I still can't get over you. I'm like a magnet for misfortune and pain. Is it love or is it just another game? I've got an army marching into me. Gonna lay in bed and reconsider all my actions, leaving me brain dead. I never used to get my hopes up, and for a good reason. You string me along across all the seasons, and now my expectations come crashing down. And look at the mess I'm in, and just look at the mess I'm in.
It's hard to be honest when I'm not true to myself. Grown way too fond of you in these past few years, and I never let it show, but you know that. Hiding my emotions, that's what I'm good at.